Let's deploy Office 2019 Professional. Now, first of all, you want to go to this website, Deploy Office 2019. This site has a lot of information and it has a lot of steps that you can take to install the Office Professional 2019. And I'm installing this in a Windows 10 computer. Now I already have a KMS server installed where I license all my Windows 10 clients and also Office 2010, 2016, 2019. So first of all, we need to download the Office deployment tool from the Microsoft Download Center. So if you click on this link, it takes you here. Now click on download. It'll ask you where to save the file. So I'm going to save this in a folder. Now you want to run this file. You want to open and run as administrator. You want to select the checkbox here, click continue. It will ask you where you want to save the file. Now what I did, I created a folder called ODT in the C drive. So this is where I'm going to place all the files that I download and all the installation files for Office 2019. As you can see, it extracted the files here with a setup exe file, and also it comes with a bunch of XML files. Now I don't need all these files, so I'm just going to delete it. I'm also going to delete this exe file. Now we need to create the configuration XML file. Now Microsoft gives you an example of this file. This is it here. Now this PID key is your MAC key or your generic volume license key. Now I already created a custom XML configuration file, and this is my file here, as you can see, and this is a generic key that I get from Microsoft website, and that key I get from here, generic volume license key for KMS, and this is for Office Professional 2019. This is the key. You can also get for 2016 Office also. So this is how I configured my configuration XML file. So it's the source path is pointing to C ODT. You can create a network shared drive or a shared folder. So I am just installing this on my local C drive. Also, this remove MSI, this removes all previous versions of Office. So if you have 2010 or 2016, this will remove those previous versions. So now after that, we need to download the Office 2019 installation files, and this is the command here that we need to copy and paste in our command prompt. Now I'm going to click on copy. Now you want to open command prompt. You want to right click and open as administrator. Now I have to point to that C ODT folder. So, and CD to the ODT folder. So I'm there. So now I want to paste this file here. Click enter. Now as you see, when you do that and you click enter, it creates an Office folder, and in that Office folder it's going to download all these files. Now this file that it's downloading in the Office folder, it's going to be probably about 1.8 gigs. So if I click refresh, I click on properties again, as you can see, 1.8 gigs. It will let you know when it's done with the command prompt here. Now these are the only files that I need, including the Office folder, Office configuration XML file, and the setup.exe file. So when you see the command prompt here, that means it's done, it's already downloaded. So if I right click, go to properties, it's 1.86 gigs. I'm going to minimize this. Now the next step is to install Office 2019 by using the Office deployment tool. So this is the file we need to copy. Now we want to go back to our command prompt. It has to point to your folder where the setup.exe file is. So I'm going to right click, paste, and enter. Now as you can see, it's installing Office 2019, and these are all the applications that's installing: Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Notepad, Access, Skype, Publisher, and OneDrive. This is going to take a while. Now this configuration file, I have tested it and it works for me. So it depends how fast your internet connection is. It will install faster. So now Office 2019 Professional has been installed. Click close. Type Word. If I click on File, Account, so it activates Office 2019 with the KMS server. So these are the steps that must be taken to install Office Professional 2019. So I thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, I ask you to subscribe